Democracy was not there in Kashmir when they revoked Article 370. The Congress party would certainly have to have a relook on this issue.
क्या पुनर्विचार करेगी कांग्रेस? ये कांग्रेस की पाकिस्तानी मानसिकता है, जो पाकिस्तान कहता है वही कांग्रेस कहती है।
Democracy was not there in Kashmir when they revoked Article 370. Then Insaniyat was not there because they put everyone behind bars. And Kashmiriyat is something which is basically the fundamentals of secularism. Because in a Muslim majority state, there was a Hindu Raja, and both worked together. In fact, the reservation in Kashmir was given to the Kashmiri Pandits in government services. So therefore, the decision of revoking Article 370 and reducing the statehood of J&K is extremely, I would say, sad decision, and the Congress party would certainly have to have a relook on this issue.
कश्मीर भारत का मुकुटमणि है, अभिन्न अंग है। ये कांग्रेस ही थी जिसने कश्मीर में धारा 370 लगाने का पाप किया था। हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री जी ने, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने धारा 370 हटा दी। अब एक देश में दो विधान, दो निशान, दो प्रधान नहीं है। लेकिन कांग्रेस अब फिर पाकिस्तान की भाषा बोल रही है। कांग्रेस के नेता दिग्विजय कहते हैं कि धारा 370 हटाने पर पुनर्विचार किया जाएगा। क्या पुनर्विचार करेगी कांग्रेस? क्या फिर से धारा 370 थोप के अलगाववाद को हवा देगी, आतंकवाद को प्रश्रय देगी? कांग्रेस का हाथ पाकिस्तान के साथ। ये कांग्रेस की पाकिस्तानी मानसिकता है, जो पाकिस्तान कहता है वही कांग्रेस कहती है। सोनिया जी, जवाब दो। देश आपसे जवाब चाहता है।
The state did not merge. It joined the Union of India on certain terms, and one of the terms was Article 370. And there are two already Supreme Court verdicts on this of the triple bench, two judgments, which clearly state that this is a permanent feature now. But our political party in power in Delhi has a long-standing political statement of their party, not of the nation, of the party, that they will abrogate it, and they did this against the wishes of the people of the state. And all three regions opposed this view. And we continue to do so, against what they have done. And I'm very grateful to Digvijay Singh ji. He has realized the sentiments of the people, as other parties of the nation who have also spoken about it. And they are very clear about it, that what you have done, you are losing the will of the people for the nation. Yes. And I think he has done well, and I welcome it heartily, and I hope that the present government will look into this again and try and win the heart of the people of the state. And that can only be won if they reverse what they did on the 5th of August 2019.